everybody, it's Brian Hokelman with OTAVA, coming at you with another episode of In the Know, the ongoing saga with Broadcom and the VMware acquisition. So it's March 26th, and we're about a week or 10 days after everyone really understanding where they're going to live inside of the Broadcom Advantage Program. And so we know that there were 4,500 VMware partner CSPs, and they've dwindled that down to about 500, 100 being in Pinnacle and 400 being in the Premier program. And that leaves about 4,000 partners without a home and no way to consume Broadcom Advantage VCF licenses, which are the go-forward bundled license that Broadcom is going to be supporting. So what does that mean to the partners who didn't make it? Well, they were notified about a week ago. So they were notified by aggregators like CDW and notified that they had to participate in the white label program and partner with one of the Pinnacle or Premier partners to consume their licenses. That also means that they're no longer going to access Broadcom support. They have to work through their Advantage partner. But more importantly, what does that program look like? And what are some of the immediate implications? And I guess that's where there's a lot of confusion, FUD, misinformation, and panic going on in the marketplace right now. And let me break it down for you a little bit. In terms of those partners who didn't make the main program, they can still participate in what's called the registered tier program. And that's the program where they'll partner with a Pinnacle or Premier partner, and that partner will be able to supply them with the appropriate licenses. So everyone's really working hard right now to figure out who the partner that they want to build a business development relationship with. And then the confusion and fear is coming from what Broadcom has stated around when you have to be compliant with the programs. And they are requiring that all partners move from their current licensing structure to the VCF license structure and the associated usage metering that will go on inside those environments as of April 1st. So you've got 5 days. But more importantly, or from a more concerning perspective, there's nowhere to get the licenses. So the VMware Partner Portal does not provide access to those VCF licenses. And as of this morning, I logged into our Broadcom portal, and it says to hover over the license section, and it doesn't work. So there's no way to consume a VCF license as of April 1st. And Broadcom has stated that they will be making their portal actionable on May 6th. So that leaves everyone in that community in the same pickle, which is we will all be non-compliant for about 45 days. So the advice that we're giving to a lot of these partners is to make sure that you have your partner selected. You start to get budgetary pricing, because right now all that you can get is budgetary pricing, and that's only for month to month or usage and 3-year terms. And as Broadcom releases their agreements and the flow down agreements, then you'll be able to get from real pricing to an execute agreement with Broadcom with your Pinnacle or Premier partner, and then we'll be able to execute our downstream CSPs that we're going to be supporting. So it's a tough time. No one really knows if the timing's going to pan out the way everyone's thinking it is. Broadcom is not very transparent. So we're all going to be in this kind of fuzzy land for about 45 days. So what we're suggesting in terms of people being able to operate their businesses is to make sure you have some additional license keys and ISOs to run your business as usual, kind of a BAU fashion for the time being. And then as these things start to come to fruition, we'll be able to structure those agreements and to support customer growth, customer acquisition, and the operational support that's going to be required for everyone in that registered tier group. So that's all for now. Stay tuned. I'll be coming out with some new episodes here in the coming days. Probably try to put up about 2 or 3 a week until the dust settles on all this. Until then, have a great day.